So I have a question for you. If I have a client sign a new construction contract today, and we know the home's not going to be ready for, let's say, 10 months, and we know where today's interest rates are, how do they know what their interest rate is going to be, say, in 10 months?
So there's not a clear-cut answer. There are long-term rate lock options out there. They are pretty pricey, and they actually lock you in at higher than today's rates with a float-down option. That's how the long-term rate locks work. They come a lot of times with a hefty deposit associated with them, depending on the lender. The other option that I always talk to clients about is we always try to qualify them 1.5% to 2% higher than whatever today's rates are at, just to make sure that we're not putting them in jeopardy of losing the house, the earnest money deposit, significant sometimes. And then generally, depending on the builder, once we get a finalized close time 45, 60 days out from closing, that's typically when we'll go and lock in their interest rate.
That was my other question. Like, how soon or how far into the process do they have to be before they have a good idea of what their actual rate's going to be? But it sounds like 45 to 60 days.
Yeah, before closing. Always up front, we're going to tell them where market rates are at right now. Here's a scenario if rates move higher. You know, are you comfortable with this fluctuation in the market right now? Also, if rates go lower, here's the opportunity as well. So as long as you're comfortable with a good range, we want to make sure that we're not pinching pennies to make those mortgage payments.
Yeah, you don't want to be a house rich and money poor, do you?
Never. Yeah.
No beans and rice.
Nope.
Well, very good.